What we eat daily has a profound effect on every part of our body, including our skin. Eating unhealthy foods results in improper nutrition and accumulation of toxins in your body. This ends up producing inflammation, which shows up your skin in the form of acne, blemishes, and wrinkles. It makes your skin dry and dull, and no matter what creams you use, your glow doesn't come back. While eating healthy foods has opposite effect, it helps the body in healing the damage done by environment. Here I am mentioning foods that are particularly best for your skin if you want its glow and radiance back. 1. Walnut. Walnut is an excellent food for our skin. It is a good source of essential fatty acids like omega-3 and omega-6, which are good for your skin. It can reduce skin dryness and improve collagen production, resulting in a reduction of wrinkles. It also contains a good amount of zinc, which improves the protective and combating power of your skin. Walnut also contains antioxidants, vitamin E, and selenium, which are essential for reducing inflammation and proper nourishment of your skin. 2. Tomato. Tomatoes are one of the best and cheapest sources of beta-carotene, lutein, and lycopene, which are kinds of carotenoids present in plants. Carotenoids protect your skin from sun damage and prevent it from wrinkling. Having fresh tomatoes daily in the salad will have amazing benefits on your skin. 3. Green tea. Green tea is very famous for its weight loss benefits, but very few people know that it also has great skin benefits. Green tea contains catechin, which is a very powerful antioxidant that helps in protecting your skin from sun damage. Drinking green tea daily can also improve the moisture, thickness, and elasticity of your skin, resulting in younger looking and tighter skin. Include these 3 foods in your daily diet, and you will see a glow and radiance coming back in no time. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, press the subscribe button and bell icon.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.